Hello guys, welcome to our channel How To Get all answers to your how to questions. Today I will be showing you how to insert the Pixabay or Pexels images into the Canva, because these two sites are the very popular sites for the picking the images for your post, and these are the absolutely free images without any copyright. So in Canva you inserting that codes, that photos. I will be creating the design, create design, and then for that I have to go to this more options, and here I will be finding the Pixabay. Okay, just click the Pixabay and search the image whatever you want to search. I will be searching flowers. Okay, here see there are lots of flowers, and these images are absolutely free, and you not need to download. I go to the site and here type the Pixabay, and then go to this and search here flowers. Okay, sorry, flowers, and then download this image and then upload the image into Canva. Instead of doing this all procedure, just go to the more options of the Canva, and here you will find the Pixabay, and here you will find writing the flowers, just flowers, or anything you want to search over the Pixabay, right there over this, and I will be selecting any of the image, and these images are absolutely free of course. Okay, no copyright issues. I will be setting as a background. Okay, that's it. Okay, I can download also from here. Okay, if I want to search for pixels, then I will be search more, and then select pixels, and here also I will be finding a very interesting images whatever, and these are also free like flowers. Okay, will be selecting flowers, and see there are lots of flowers. I will be selecting this one and just set this as a background. Okay, so in this way you can select the images and set as an image from the background like this. Just click image and set as a background. In this way you will be setting this as a background. Thank you. Hope you will be hope this feature is very useful to you, because we need an images in our post to create the social media posts. So instead of going to the sites and download and then upload into the Canva, this will be taking very time consuming, and quality also gets reduced. So direct go to the more, click Pixabay, and then search the image you want to and pick that image and insert into the post. So guys, I hope you are loving the and liking the Canva series. I have started. I have made to 4 to 5 videos on Canva. So if you have not watched, then please watch that videos and learn Canva from this scratch. Okay, thank you for listening me, and please like, share and comment करना ना भूलिए, and how to questions post कर दीजिए so that we can make a good job for it. Thank you. Have a nice day.